If YouTube hair tips worked, baldness wouldn't exist in 2026. On YouTube, there are millions of videos about hair loss. There are billions of views. Yet, people are still having problems related to hair loss. The hair clinic are full of clients. So today let's see why most of the social media hair tips are not that helpful. I am Dr. Samiksha Tyagi, plastic and hair transplant surgeon, and today in this video we will talk about what are the common misconceptions that usually you see on the social media platform. This video is not about criticizing others, but it is about saving you from wasting your money, time and effort on various non-scientific hair treatments. The first thing which you need to understand is that the social media content and the medical truth are not the same. If we look at the social media policy, it will usually promote the videos or reels which has emotional impact. If it is creating a fear factor, or it is a emotional calling you, or if there are very surprising promises, of course these reels be viral. And on the other hand, the medicine is all about evidence and biology and timeline. If some video says that you will stop losing hairs in 7 days, of course it will go viral. But if some doctor says that it will take 3 to 6 months time for your hairs to regrow, definitely this is not a viral content. But your hair follow biology and they don't follow social media protocols. So let's see what are the common myths that are circulated most commonly on social media. When there is some emotional calling out in a video or a reel, you feel either scared or emotionally connected, you click to that video. And as you click more, that video is promoted more by YouTube or Insta. The same way, this video or information, whether it's right or wrong, it will be more promoted, and that's why it is so easy for its misinformation to spread rapidly. And unfortunately, hair loss problem is an emotional thing, and so the misinformation about hair spreads so rapidly. Let's see 3 most common misleading promises that you see regularly on social media. The first one is cure your baldness naturally. This is the most common lie which is there on the social media. The most common cause of hair loss is genetic, which occurs due to miniaturization of your hairs. Gradually your hairs undergo thinning and ultimately the hair roots are permanently damaged. And if your hair roots are permanently damaged, which leads to baldness, no oil, no juice or no massage can retrieve those hair follicles or hair roots. So if you understand this logic, you will realize why this treatment will not work for your baldness problem. Second most common myth is stop your hair loss permanently in 30 days. Of course, you see many such videos and reels on social media. Scientifically, even the best medical treatment will take 3 to 6 months time to show actual results. And your hairs will definitely follow the body's biological clock and not your YouTubers or social media person's timeline. The third most common misconception is doctors are hiding the cure and the permanent treatment of hair loss. Yeah, this sounds really interesting. But if there is any such treatment which is permanent and which is lifelong, it would have been definitely in the medical journals and the treatment protocols. And definitely it is not spreading through your WhatsApp group or social media. Hair loss thing is a complex biology, and that's why the treatment is not so simple. So now you know why these common myths are not actually science based. So how can you judge the credibility of your social media content? See the qualification of the person who is giving you this information. Is he a qualified expert in the hair field? Is he a doctor, or is he not expert in this field? Second thing, are the timelines realistic? If someone is claiming very unrealistic things about the hair loss, then definitely it may not be a correct information. Do they explain limitations? Of course, a doctor or someone will definitely let you know what are the limitations in the treatment of particular treatment. That may not be happening with the other person who is just creating content for getting it viral. And is this video selling a fear concept? Judge your content properly. Is it about creating a chaos or fear, or it is giving you the honest guidance about your hair loss? You don't need miracle videos to treat your hair loss. What you need is proper diagnosis, scientific treatment, and patience to see the results. Hair loss can be managed very effectively provided it is backed by proper diagnosis and treatment. If you wish to know more about hair related scientific advice, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.